Hey guys, welcome to DevNadu YouTube channel. And today we will be discussing about why every developer should learn APIs. So this is a backend basic and explained simply. So what is exactly an API? Think API is like a messenger. It takes your request and delivers it to a right place and brings back the response. So to think of an example, think like a waiter. You went to a restaurant, you want order some dishes and you want to taste it. But you won't directly go and talk to the cutlery, the kitchen department. You just place your order to the waiter and waiter takes it to the kitchen, and once the dish is ready, he'll get it back to you. This is how the API actually works. The front end, the actual website that is visible to our eyes, is something that makes the request to the API, and this API will send that request to the backend, gets the data or the response or any other business logic, and sends back the response to the front end to display it to the users. Why APIs everywhere? So whichever application you use, it could be Instagram, Spotify, Swiggy, banking apps, YouTube, many more. Everywhere we are using API behind the scenes. And APIs power every layer of development. It could be backend, full stack, mobile apps, microservices, or cloud system. Everywhere we need APIs to connect the front end and back end seamlessly. How actually the API request works? It actually sends the request and the API validates it and processes to query, and then once it gets the response, it return in a JSON format, or it could be any other format. So JSON is one of the languages of API where we send the response in the format of key value pairs. It is lightweight and language is agnostic. The four core REST API methods are get, post, put, and delete. Get is something just you need to get some data. Post is you need to create a new resource or update some databases. Put is there is a resource already existing and you need to update it. Delete is you just don't want to delete that entire resource. So what you should remember from this short video? So API is a messenger which connects front end and back end, and every modern application uses API. REST has four methods, that is get, post, put, and delete. And JSON is a universal API. So every API, most of the API responses will be in a JSON format. Ice power modern application. Now that you understand the fundamentals, it's time to build one yourself. So our next video will be on build your first API in Golang step by step from zero to completely working endpoint. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, code along and build something. Apply what you learn. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.